Hello everyone, I'm Travis, and let's get Wanderlost. Continuing our quest to find the best Christmas lights and Christmas displays in the DFW area, we recently went to the Light Park in Frisco, Texas. Last year we rated the Light Park in Arlington, Texas as the best Christmas lights display in the DFW area that we went to. So when we heard there was a second Light Park opening up in the DFW area, this one in Frisco, we were super excited to give it a try. The Light Park in Frisco is in the Dr. Pepper Stadium parking lot next to IKEA. And it is a drive-through Christmas lights display that is set to music that you listen to on your FM radio. Tickets are per car, and they start at $39 per car and go as high as $49 per car, depending on what day you decide to go. The Light Park has plenty of food, drinks, and other things you can purchase to make your experience driving through this Christmas lights display even better. Now, is the Frisco location as good as the Arlington location? Sit back, relax, and watch as we drive through the Light Park Frisco, and we'll let you know our honest opinion at the very end of this video. Now for our honest opinion of the Light Park Frisco. In our opinion, the Arlington location is a tad better than the Frisco location. In our opinion, the layout in Arlington is better than Frisco, and some of the displays and how close the lights are to your car just feels better at the Arlington location. The biggest difference is the size and how many of those gigantic Christmas tree looking lights there are in Arlington versus Frisco. So it kind of feels more, empty in Frisco than it did in Arlington. This doesn't mean the Frisco location is bad. It's actually really good. It's probably our second favorite light display so far in the DFW area. It's just not quite to Arlington, in our opinion. The Light Park does a lot of things incredibly well. The music is upbeat and energetic, and it matches the scenes really well. The light displays are all super bright and are great quality. Simply put, the Light Park is definitely worth the money, especially if you have kids and you want to do something super holiday festive. We 100% recommend the Light Park in Frisco, and even more so, the Light Park in Arlington, Texas. So if you have any questions about the Light Park or have any suggestions of the places that we should try next on our quest to find the best holiday and Christmas displays in the DFW area, please leave them in the comments section below. And as always, make sure you like and subscribe.